In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video in Wix, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Wix is a fantastic, user-friendly platform that allows you to create stunning websites without needing to dive deep into coding. So, let's jump right in and make sure your content gets the spotlight it deserves. To begin, you'll want to log into your Wix account and head straight over to your site's dashboard. This is your command center, where you can access all the functions you need to manage your site. If you haven't already set up a site on Wix, make sure you do so, because that's where all the fun happens. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to open the Wix editor. The editor is the heart of your website customization, where you get to shape the visual layout of your site, making it as unique and engaging as you want it to be. Now, with the editor open, take a look at the left side of your screen. There, you'll find a panel with several options. You're going to want to click on Add Elements. This section is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to integrate various features that enhance your website's functionality and appearance. Following that, within the Add Elements menu, look for and click on Video and Music. This submenu is specifically designed to help you handle media content, and since videos are a dynamic way to capture attention, it's an essential feature to explore. Once inside the Video and Music menu, you'll need to select Wix Video. This is a versatile tool that not only helps you upload videos, but offers a customizable player that can enhance how videos are displayed on your site. After choosing Wix Video, it's time to place it where it needs to be on your web page. Simply drag the relevant video player onto your page. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, but also a strategic one about where you want your viewers to focus their attention. Now that your video player is in place, the final step is to prepare your site for the world to see. Transition to the preview mode to get a sense of how your site looks with the video in place. This is your chance to make any final tweaks and ensure everything flows smoothly. Once satisfied, hit Publish. By doing this, you're taking your site live, making it accessible to everyone and showcasing your video content prominently. There you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully added a video to your Wix website. With this knowledge, you can continue creating and sharing impactful content with your audience seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.